Hello everyone, welcome to Kallada Academy, and today we are going to discuss on a few free business name generator websites. So let's head on. Okay, so we have 5 different websites on which we'll be discussing on this particular video. The first one is Namium. So Namium is a very good tool. We can discover a perfect company name out here. So if I'm working on a niche like cakes, then we enter and we'll find n number of options out here on my particular niche of cakes. So we can have a target audience global, English, Spanish, according to our requirement, we can fix on that. And we have a list of options that are available. Cakes, cakeys, cakesti, cakesta, n number of options are there. So this is a very good tool to get new business ideas as well as business names. So we move on to the next website in our list, that is Wordoid. Okay, Wordoid is again one of the best tools which are available. You can start your business with a memorable name, but to create a Wordoid, we have to work on a few tweaks out here. So we have languages option, English, Spanish, French, Italian. Quality will always be high. We scroll down and we have the options, like if you want to have your business name beginning with something, you can click on beginning. If you want have in between, you can have containing, and ending is there. So if we are concentrating on a niche like travel, click on travel. This is the length of the words that is there. So travel is having around 336 words. So if we are keeping anything close to 10, it will be good for us. We'll scroll down and just try it out. Create Wordoid. And we can find out Travelet, Xtravel. Again, a list of sites, Centra, Valley, Travelry. We get n number of options again for our specific niche of keyword, that is travel. Good. So Wordoid is again a very good platform which you can try it out. Coming to our third option, that is Hipster. So Hipster gives us a very good interface with the logo as well as options which are specifically fixed. So here we cannot have a specific niche on which we can concentrate on. We have to just take these ideas that are being provided by Hipster Business. Fine. So we can have a refresh button by which we can have a change on the names, cloth and mother. Once we again refresh on, you'll be getting ape and marble. So you have a logo as well as you have a name for your businesses. So you can just tap on and change the style also. Click on this tap option. You can see, I hope you're able to see my cursor. When I'm clicking onto this option, I'm able to change on different names, different styles, font styles, apes and marbles. So if I click onto this particular logo option, I can have a change on this also. Right. So very good option to check on and try it out. I hope everybody will be trying this this tool specifically from Hipster Business Name. It's a good one. You can try it out. Right. Second, the fourth one, we have Lean Business Domain Search. Click onto this. Okay, so Lean Domain Search is a old tool which is there in the market for long years. So you can try this one also. If we are concentrating on something like pizza and just search on, there you go, like awesome domain names. So image pizza, pizza interactive, view pizza, options with basis of like popularity as well as search term. So the list like goes on, cycle pizza, panel pizza, it's a huge continuous list which you all will be finding it out, right? Venue Pizza, you click on the options, you'll be getting the details also. VenuePizza.com is still available, but you don't have a Twitter option that is there. So this is again a good option to try it out. Lean domain search is there like for many days, so this is a very good option to try it out. So please, work on this. This will be helpful for you. Okay, and last one, we have again Domainer, which is also a very old tool. You can search it out. And if we are having something like cakes, you can see whether this particular name has been taken or not. So this is already sold out. So we have taken. Cakes.com is taken. We have for this one for sale, cakes.net, and we have a few more, cakes.co, cakes.io. So if I'm clicking onto this option, they will be giving me the sites also, like GoDaddy, Sedo, domain agents, these are there. So we can just get this thing out. So Domainer is again a very good tool to utilize on. So I would love you if you just try these set of business name generator softwares which are there. You'll be finding n number of options out here in Google if you Google it out, but these are the few best of softwares that are available. Fine, thank you very much for today, and we'll be catching up with you in our next video.